The world is so, there's so much upheaval, you never know what tomorrow's going to bring. If I got a catastrophic disease, God forbid, cancer, I mean, that could wipe you out in a week. I mean, with the way, care is. And it's scary. Unless you're worth millions of dollars, you don't have to worry. But if you have $500,000 or what, then really, what is that today? It's not a lot of money.
I mean, with the economy now, yeah, you have to worry. I mean, even though you might think you have enough, but you never know what can happen.
Mm-hmm.
The next 3 years, things might either get better or it might get worse. So, of course.
And the question is, what's your number? I want to know what your retirement number is in terms of dollars. And I don't know what it is. Is it $1 million? Is it $5 million? I mean, it depends on how you want to live and where you want to live, of course. And everyone has their own idea of what they need. But I'm concerned. If I live 30 more years, possible, I'm to be 90. My mom is, in her mid-80s. My father was almost 90 when he passed away. So I could be 90. So do I have enough money for 30 more years of living?